Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hotpot broth. Start by simmering bones and aromatics for at least 2 hours to build a rich base. Skim foam often, add ginger, scallion, star anise, and 1 tablespoon soy for depth. Adjust salt toward the end and add chili oil or fermented bean paste for spice. Strain before serving and keep warm at a gentle simmer so flavors meld and broth stays clear and silky. For a lighter or vegetarian hot pot, start with kombu and dried shiitake to give savory depth without meat. Steep kombu in cold water, then warm slowly to extract minerals, removing before boiling. Add dried bonito flakes or shrimp shells briefly for seafood notes, then strain. Balance with 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and soy to taste. Keep the broth warm and add ingredients in order by cooking time. To craft spicy hot pot broth, layer flavors starting with a neutral base, then build with fermented bean paste and a few spoonfuls of chili oil. Taste as you go and add soy or salt sparingly, because concentrated ingredients intensify as the broth reduces. Brighten heavy flavors with rice vinegar or a squeeze of citrus, and finish with toasted sesame oil and chopped cilantro or scallion for aroma and balance before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.